StirFry. So we are bros. Eating StirFry with 2 chopsticks. So I got 2 chops. Showing this noodles like my queen. Nigga dead. Asian, you can tell. I swear. I had Chinese on StirFry. You see my eyes long. Outer space on Venice, outer space on the beach. How you mad? I got more shit. Bitch, you just walked through the door. Bitch, she think she doing something soft. Yeah, grandma hit him with a switch, now he playing piano. If we really up in drums, it's a bad piano. So my little bitch bad, bitch stay designer. I want a Panda Express, bitch beat it StirFry. Swear, I want a Panda bitch beat it, watch us eat StirFry. Swear, I want a Panda bitch better cook StirFry. Come with soy sauce on the bitch, add some broccoli and some chicken. You know that turkey ain't no StirFry. We see an M, he getting StirFry. I swear, they peep the lingo, they peep the trip now. Yeah, the police like 12. For real, honestly just got out of jail. Fuck the turkey and cheese sandwiches. I really think they wanna kill something. Yeah, no crackers really had the nerves to feed me crackers. If you a CO, then it's really fuck you. Drinking out the juice con, but now I'm drinking water. They don't can hold me for 72 hours, bitch. Swear, I want no Panda Express, but just eat StirFry. Swear, I want a Panda bitch better cook StirFry. The lights got a nigga up. Swear they can't go on. I got some tissue for my pillow. What up, fully door strike? What up? This pistol will take a nigga life. I swear, ain't no sleep in the night.